What are some memory games for people with Alzheimer's? Memory games can be a valuable tool for people with Alzheimer's disease, helping to stimulate cognitive function and engage their minds. Some games that can aid memory and cognitive skills include word games like crossword puzzles or word searches that challenge the brain and help with memory retention and engage cognitive skills. Matching games like those involving flipping cards to find pairs help to enhance memory and concentration. The repetition and visual cues can add in reinforcing memory. Jigsaw puzzles and other types of puzzles encourage problem solving and spatial reasoning. Trivia games can also help recall information and stimulate mental processing. Incorporating these types of games into daily routines can be a fun, supportive way to help maintain cognitive function and provide a sense of achievement for those living with Alzheimer's.